In the past, keeping up with many different connections could be a challenging task. Fortunately, social networking sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter have made it easier than ever to reach out and forge new connections, which are essential components of any successful job search. It's important to remember that you're not the only person looking to make new connections online. Make it easy for employers to find and connect with you across a variety of social networks by making sure you have a visible online presence. You can do this by starting meaningful discussions on your social media networks or participating in online forums. This can help you become a known voice in different communities and increase your online presence. Remember to practice discretion when sharing online, though. Whenever you apply for a job, there's a good chance your employer will try to learn more about you through social media. Embarrassing photos or negative comments about your current employer could seriously hurt your job search. Most social networks allow you to control who sees your posts and updates. Take the time to modify your privacy settings to prevent potential employers from seeing personal photos and information. You may even want to consider making a professional profile specifically for networking that includes details about your work and education history. As social media networks continue to expand, there's almost no limit to how you can incorporate them into your job search. Don't be afraid to take advantage of these powerful tools. They might just help you find your next job.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.